Erica with Harmony Home Medical, and like Harmony Home Medical, I'm here to help. Today I want to discuss scooters and the different options you have when selecting a scooter. So behind me I have just a couple scooters, and they range from portable to full size. You can go more full size as well, but I would say that the majority of people are going to be using one of these two options. These are both portable. One is a 3-wheel, one is a 4-wheel, and this one is full size. When you're choosing your scooter, you want to consider how it's going to be used. The portable ones are going to allow you to take it in pieces to go in and out of the car. The full size one, you're going to need a lift or a modified van to take it with you. The benefits of having a portable one is just that, you can take it with you, and it's a little bit smaller for in and around the house. These scooters are going to be easier for your indoor, outdoor use. The full-size scooters, this one and beyond, are going to be better for your primarily outdoor user. So these scooters are going to handle terrain, even dirt and gravel, uneven surfaces, a lot better than your smaller scooters are. When you're considering getting a scooter, it's important to evaluate your ability to use it. So make sure that you or your loved one can use both of their arms and their upper body to turn the scooter, because it is a little more engaging and takes a little more muscle and ability than using a power chair, which is just your hand, and it's a rather relaxed position. It doesn't require a lot of muscles. The scooter driving, it requires the tiller activation, and that's using most of your upper body muscles. It's not vigorous, but it requires you to participate with both your left and right side. So it's important to make sure that is fine. And then it's going to be about size, not necessarily of the scooter, but of the person. Can they fit in the seats that are offered on the portable scooters and with the legroom available on portable scooters? Now, they have been coming out with a lot of options that are getting bigger and more, I guess, functional, like a full-size scooter, but can still be taken apart and go in the car. So you're getting a little more range there with your portable devices, but it's still important to check that you're within the weight capacities and the comfortable fitting of the seats, because you don't have seat size choices in portable scooters. So the full-size scooters, you can get things like blinkers and rear view mirrors, and they go all the way up to something that resembles almost a quad or outdoor vehicle. It's up to the individual what's going to work best, but it's always best to work with a professional or medical equipment provider to make sure you're aware of all the options and that you're getting the right size and styled scooter for you. So if you'd like to have some help with this, have us come into your home or come into the store, please call us at the number below and we'd be happy to help.